lead. Now I'm pretty sure Felix is still going to have to stop as well, so this may balance out as they exchange fuel stops. Coming up on 45 seconds to go, Felix Law, car number 8, is your race leader. Running about 2 seconds behind him, we have Daniel Rossi in car number 6, the white car. There's your race leader.
They just crashed out over there.
Come on, Johnny, this time. Carnival racing.
Yeah!